I think we could all agree that kids connect to music, video, art, and especially in the 21st century, technology. In the Creative Technology After-School program, kids make music, produce videos, and create digital artwork. After doing their homework, of course. Learning these creative skills is extremely fun and engaging for kids. Makes sense, right? Kids love music, so kids can produce music that sounds like their favorite artists. Kids love video, so kids can create their own videos just like their favorite YouTube stars. And of course, from a very young age, all kids love art. And kids can use digital graphic technology to create their own posters, memes, or book report covers. These skills are also extremely practical. Does your child want to stand out in his class? He can create multimedia presentations using video, music, and art that he created for school projects. Is your child a budding entrepreneur? She can create flyers and posters to advertise her slime making business. Is your child an aspiring music artist? She can write, record, and produce an entire album of original music, then shoot and edit a music video. Has your child ever told you that they'd love to have their own YouTube channel? They can learn how to shoot and edit their own DIY tutorials, then safely upload them to YouTube. The Creative Technology After-School program gives kids the tools to be fully creative, and since there's a variety of skills, so much to learn, and so much to create, kids are always engaged and never, ever bored. Creativity is the key to happiness with kids. And with so many jobs on track to be replaced in the future by machines and artificial intelligence, creativity is also the key to a successful career. To quote Sir Ken Robinson, creativity now is as important in education as literacy, and we should treat it with the same status. The Creative Technology After-School program empowers children with creative skills that can help them adapt to and improve the world that lies ahead. Each day, kids are picked up from local schools and taken to mixed major by bus, and depending on what time they arrive, they'll have some time for snack and device-free socialization. Then it's time for homework or quiet study time, and the instructor is always there to help if the kids need it. Once each student is finished with their homework, then it's time to work on creative technology projects, which rotates based on the day of the week. Students work on their creative projects until pickup. For music, each child enters the Music Production Learning Path program. In this program, Mixed Major customizes a learning path for each child based on their musical interests and creative goals. They learn music production using Ableton Live software, which is heavily used in the music industry. For video, kids create using iMovie. They learn how to shoot and edit video, then integrate music and graphics. For digital art, kids create using Canva, which is a free web-based graphic design software that's intuitive and very easy to learn and use. And if the kids want to, they can continue to work on their Canva projects at home, outside the walls of the after-school program. Kids love to create and kids love to share. So in class, kids share regularly with other students. Also, family and friends are regularly invited throughout the year to listening parties. In these parties, they get to see and listen to the students' work, and the kids are really excited and proud to share what they've made. One other great thing about this program is that it's located in the same building as other amazing enrichment programs. For example, across the hall is Music Spectrum's School for the Arts. That's where kids can get traditional music instruction on just about any instrument. They also offer dance classes as well. In the same building is HK Lee Taekwondo, which has been in operation for over 40 years and is run by Grandmaster Lee himself. Kids can even take visual arts classes at the Fine Art Academy downstairs. This is just an awesome location for any parent that's looking for high-quality enrichment programs for their kids. So that's the Creative Technology After-School program. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I understand that enrolling in an after-school program is a big deal and a big commitment. Please contact me so we can set up a time so I can meet you in person, meet your child, and give your child a free class and show them how amazing this program is, and you can make the best decision that you can make. So thank you very much. I look forward to meeting you and your child here at Mixed Major.